Molarity. So in this video we are going to look at the concept of molarity, starting with the definition of molarity, and don't forget to subscribe and join. Molarity is a measure of the concentration of a solution and is defined as the number of moles of solute per liter of solution. So therefore molarity is one of the measure of the concentration of the solution, and it can be defined as a number of moles of a solute by liter. That is why from here you can get the formula for calculating molarity based on the definition. So we can see that molarity represented as M is equal to moles of solute divided by the volume of solution, and the moles of solute is usually measured in moles, while the volume is mostly measured in liter. So molarity is equal to number of moles all over volume. So example, if 0.50 moles potassium trioxonitrate 5 is dissolved in a 2.0 liter solution, the molarity of the solution will be, so we are given a moles of potassium trioxonitrate 5 and then a volume of a solution as 2.0 liter. Then from here we can easily calculate molarity, since the number of moles as well as the volume of the solution is given. So therefore molarity is equal to mole all over volume. So we have 0.5 divided by 2.0. so if we now take 0.5 and we divide it by 2.0, it is now going to give us the answer, which is 0.25 moles per liter. So ladies and gentlemen, the most important thing that you are going to do, that you will not forget with molarity, is that the formula is mole all over volume. Another example, what is the molarity of the solution prepared by dissolving 33.5 gram sodium oxalate? The formula for sodium oxalate is given in brackets in 350 ml of water. So this is the questions where we are given the mass of sodium oxalate in gram, and the volume of the solution, which is water, is given as 350. So we start with getting the data. So the mass of oxalate, that is the sodium oxalate, is 35.5 gram. So here we know that the formula says is mole all over volume, so we have to calculate molar mass. So the molar mass of sodium oxalate is 134 gram per mole. We have 2 sodium, 2 carbon and 4 oxygen. So we multiply each of the number of elements present in the compound times the molar mass of each element. We are going to get the total mass of the compound. So therefore the mole is now going to be 33.5 divided by 134 gram per mole, and that will give us 0.25 mole. And of course we have the volume, so we have to convert it in liter because we have 350 ml. So we divide it by 1000, and that will give us 0.35 liter. And then from here you can easily get the molarity. So molarity is number of moles all over volume, so therefore it's equal to 0.25 divided by 0.35, and that will give us 0.71 mole per liter. And I think, ladies and gentlemen, from here we can see that this calculation is very easy and is very simple to understand, and we have our final answer as 0.71 mole. So please follow me in the next video on how to calculate normality. Thank you very much, and see you next in my video. So thank you for your time.